welcome to our video guide on managing USPS shipping for your website. After installing the USPS module via the App Shop, navigate to the Modules, Shipping, and Online tabs. Look for the United States Postal Service module and click Edit to configure. In the Settings section, enable USPS shipping for your website. Provide your USPS user ID and password. Choose between the test or production server. Set handling fees and taxes on shipping fees. Apply USPS shipping to specific zones. Manage delivery dates and ownership settings. Control the display order during checkout. Choose display options for USPS shipping. Select domestic and international USPS shipping methods. In the Restrictions section, customize USPS shipping to fit your needs. Restrict shipping to specific customer groups, countries, and website pages. Enable tracking for better shipment visibility. Define module names for both back-end and front-end. Click Update to save your settings, and you're all set to offer seamless USPS shipping services on your website.